are effectively not in school, especially at a primary level, that solves a problem. And just to, I mean, if I give you one example, Stephen,
help me with the research. So let's get into the research now. What does the data suggest?
Okay, so there's a really good piece by Jonathan Hayden and a book by him. Now, I can't claim to have read it, but I have read some of the summary around it. And Politics Exchange then did a big piece in terms of looking at this within the UK. So one of the things that they found was that we know that there's a linkage between social media use and declining mental health in our kids because of that the active nature of it, that they're always contactable. So that is one thing that I think we can address. The second thing is a really interesting one, because obviously my background is in education. And so part of the research says that actually schools, and this is in England, schools that had an effective ban were more than twice as likely to be rated outstanding than the national average. That kids there achieved better results at GCSE, and this was in fact despite the fact that schools with a ban had a higher proportion of FSME. So schools that you might have thought might have been underperforming, when they introduced really effective restrictions on smartphones, they actually outperform some schools that we might assume would actually should be better.
Now, that's really interesting.